guys want to see me waste $150? You guys want to see me wake my neighbors up at 11 o'clock at night? Do you guys want to see me shoot flames and pop some bangs, baby? Do you want to? Well, I'm going to take it back to the future, baby. Or back to the past, baby. We're going to the past so I can bring you back to the future so then you can see this. Pop some bangs, baby. I play a lacrosse game and some fucker steps on my ankle, but that's okay. Because I wasted $150 for absolutely nothing for my gas mileage to hit the floor. We're at Iron Age right now, and we're leaving because I just got the tune, and we're gonna go install that and come back. This is my chauffeur because I can't drive my own car.
Hey, watch this, watch this.
Oh.
Hey, get this. Hey, check this out, check this out.
Damn! We are gonna blow my shit up at approximately 12:18 tonight. Poor baby boy. Alright, so I'm updating my ECU tech or ECU tech, blase software, whatever you want to call it. And now we're gonna install the tune on my car. And if I remember what the fuck I'm doing, because I haven't opened this up in a while, it's like 2 clicks, a waiting screen, you watch the speedometer move, and okay, and yeah, so now we're gonna go to file. I think I remember how to do this. File, I think it's detect vehicle. We're gonna program engine ECU, query ECU, choose ROM file, desktop. Is this the one I downloaded today?
I think that's the one you have your porn on.
I hope so. Do that one, and now we're gonna program ECU. Oh, does not match ROM. Far from the future here, just wanted to let you know, give you a little backstory. So I forgot to put a Z in my VIN number when I was putting in my VIN number on Delicious Tuning, so then I couldn't install the tune the first night in the past. So that's why I had to show you the past first so that I could bring you guys to the future. And this is me from the future telling you that what happened in the past so that you could see it in the future. Okay, now that you've seen the other stuff, I just got the fucking tune, baby, and my ankle's okay! Ruben's here. My ankle's okay.
Fucking go!
That. And we're gonna go to file, detect vehicle, okay, query ECU, choose ROM file, version 13, program ECU. Okay. Ah, there it goes. Oh shit. And once that hits 8K. Oh shit. And then for all you people who are asking me about when you install a tune, it's gonna do this. And it's gonna start blinking, so we're flashing. You come over here, we're gonna switch the ignition off, and then, and now we're good. And we just hit okay.
Oh god.
Yep, we're gonna close this bit. From what I read, the tune is in my, oh god. It's in map 3. So I think I just put it in map 3. Oh my god.
Oh, that's out of pocket.
Lord! This is the best $150 I've ever spent. Hands down. Oh my god.
I'm shook right now. I don't even know what to say.
I saw, you can see that in the rear view. That's a fat blade right there. Holy shit.
Oh my god. Holy shit.
Okay, we're not gonna talk about the Band-Aid that I'm using to cover up my panic button, but it is this, it's the same day, and we're going to, we're gonna go pick up some of my friends, one by one. Right now we're gonna go to Marco, and we're gonna get Marco's reaction. Now, I don't even think he's seen my videos on Instagram of like what this sounds like, so we're gonna go get his reaction. Then we're gonna go get my buddy Alex's reaction, just to get a couple reactions, because, hold on. Oh my God. So we're at my boy Marco's house. He hasn't heard it or anything like that. And, hey! Yes, Lord, yes, Lord. Oh my God, oh my God, yes! Fucking right, sing that shit. The second person to get their reaction, which is one of my buddies, one of my best friends, Alex. He likes cars. I wouldn't necessarily say he's into like modifying cars, but like he's down for a good time. He actually has a Mustang, but like when it comes to like modifying cars and stuff like that, he prefers to keep his cars, like he keeps his Mustang stock. He's done a few things to it. I've been trying to convince him to get an exhaust for it. Maybe that'll happen in the future, but right now, he's one of your average guys. So we're gonna show him some pops and bangs and flames, baby.
That car sounds a lot louder.
Does it?
A lot louder.
I haven't done anything like
Maybe it's just been a minute.
Pops and bangs, right?
Pops and bangs?
Yeah.
Maybe?
Okay. I'm not gonna explain it. You're just gonna do it? You're just gonna feel it.
Alright, man. Like kickback though.
Oh, just wait, Alex.